If you're an IT administrator, you know how complex and time-consuming managing IT support tasks can be. Today, we'll talk about GoTo Resolve, a tool designed to simplify your daily IT support operations and see how it stacks up against the competition. Let's start with what GoTo Resolve does best. First things first, this software streamlines remote support. If you're an IT admin juggling multiple clients or teams, GoTo Resolve allows you to access and control devices remotely, which is crucial for solving problems quickly and efficiently. No more waiting for users to bring their machines to the help desk or spending time walking them through tedious troubleshooting. With just a few clicks, you can take control of their device and resolve the issue in minutes. The remote control is pretty intuitive, though not always as smooth as some other tools, but it gets the job done. Next thing, the ticketing system. GoTo Resolve offers a built-in ticketing system to help you keep track of support requests. This is great for managing high volumes of requests without letting things slip through the cracks. You can organize tasks by priority and assign tickets to specific team members, but here's where it gets tricky. While the ticketing system is decent, some users feel that it lacks advanced features found in more specialized IT support platforms. For example, there are other platforms that offer deeper automation to handle ticket creation or escalation, something that GoTo Resolve has yet to fully master. The third thing you need to know about GoTo Resolve is its automation. You get some pre-built automation features that can save time, such as sending follow-up emails or generating reports, which can help reduce the manual work. But if you're an admin who needs complex workflows or integrations with third-party tools, you might find GoTo Resolve somewhat limiting. It's not as robust as some competitors like Zendesk or Freshdesk in terms of automating your support processes. It's good for basic tasks, but if you need more, you might need to look elsewhere. Now, let's talk about the price. GoTo Resolve offers some solid value for smaller teams or businesses just getting started with IT support software. However, larger organizations or teams with more advanced needs might find it a bit too bare bones compared to the competition. You're getting a lot for the price, but when it comes to scaling, you may find yourself wishing for more customization options. The fourth thing to mention is its security features. GoTo Resolve ensures that your remote support sessions are secure with end-to-end encryption, which is a must-have in today's digital age. However, compared to other IT support platforms, the security features are somewhat basic. You won't find advanced options like multi-factor authentication for every action, which could be a concern for admins managing sensitive or confidential data. Lastly, the user interface. GoTo Resolve has a clean and user-friendly interface. Whether you're managing support tickets, accessing devices remotely, or running diagnostics, everything is laid out in a straightforward manner. The downside is, as easy as it is to navigate, it can feel a bit too simple at times. Some users have mentioned that they wish there were more customizable views or dashboards to suit their needs better. Now, if GoTo Resolve is not quite hitting the mark for you, there are some fantastic alternatives. You might want to consider tools like Freshdesk or Zendesk, which come with a broader feature set, stronger automation, and deeper integration options for large-scale operations. Both of these have free trials and are better suited for admins looking for more advanced features. So, should you go with GoTo Resolve? If you're a small to mid-sized business or an IT administrator looking for something easy to use and relatively affordable, it's a solid choice. But if you need more power, especially when scaling, you might find GoTo Resolve lacking. The good news is that we've got an exclusive and AMP extended free trial for GoTo Resolve through our link, and you'll get some amazing benefits that are only available to our viewers. But if GoTo Resolve doesn't seem like the best fit for your IT support needs, we've also added the best alternatives for your consideration, ones that are better suited for the goals you want to achieve. Check the description for your free trials and start simplifying your IT support tasks today.